The courier has just arrived and he brought us a new bike to test. Let's check it out. So that was the trick. Ta-da! That's it, the brand new Honda Africa Twin Adventure Sport. I was waiting for this bike to come. Look at the color scheme. It's the Honda original, the tricolore color scheme. Well, this bike is the Adventure Sport. It was unveiled a couple of months ago in Milan, and we cannot wait to test it. It comes with a larger fuel tank, it comes with better electronics, better weather protection, it comes with a longer suspension travel. But before that, let's assemble it. Are mounting the front wheel. It's a 21 inches front. We have street tires on this bike, Dunlop Trail Max. Also you can see that it's equipped for adventure. It's got these crush bars, it's got some protections for the radiator. It has hand guards, and it has this shield, which is actually very large. It seems to be very, very strong. Now the guys are mounting the windshield. You can see that it's taller than before, and it also comes with 6 mounting points compared to 4 as the normal model has. Also, there's heated grips, a standard. You can see the button over here, and let me show you something special. This is the 30th anniversary edition. It's been 30 years since the first XRV 650 Africa Twin was launched. And besides the colors, take a look over here. We have a white frame. How cool is that? How vintage is that? Okay, let's hop on it. I'm very curious because I know this is a tall bike and I'm not very tall. Oh my God. Okay, so in this setting right now it's not for me. I'm 174 meters, and this bike comes with a high seat, 920 millimeters, but we can take it lower because it's adjustable. Let's see how we can do it, and it should go to 900 millimeters. Let's try it. Thank you. Okay. Oh. Well, now it's better, but for me it's not enough because I'm not very tall, as I said, and I think I need the low seat. Being at a Honda dealer, I took a seat from the standard Africa Twin. Well, yeah, this is better. This is better. Now I'm wearing some street shoes, but once I put on my riding boots, I think it will be even better. The thing is that Honda offers 2 optional low seat versions for this Africa Twin Adventure Sports. So basically, no matter your height, you should be able to ride it. We have a new dashboard, and I'm very curious to see it. Let's check it out. Okay, so this is the new dash. So the big novelty is that the new Africa Twin, not only the Adventure Sports, but also the standard version comes with different electronic riding modes. This is the user one. You can customize it. This is the tour mode, an urban mode for city use, a gravel road for going off-road, and again the user mode to set up by yourself. You can see that every time I switch through the riding modes, the parameters are changing. The P parameter should be for the throttle response. This is the engine brake, and also there's the traction control. You can also adjust the traction control, let's say when on gravel, just to push the button. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and it also can disappear because you have an 8-level traction control right now. This is the automatic DCT version. You have no clutch, you have no gear shift. You can switch it manually by these buttons on the handlebar, and as you know, Honda offers the drive mode, which is the normal one, and the S mode, which is a more sporty one, and it comes with 3 different levels. Also, you have the G mode over here, which is aimed for off-road use. And now, finally, the moment I was waiting for. Let's start the engine. Hey! I'm gonna ride this one soon. I have to. So that's it, my friends. This was our unboxing and first engine start of this brand new Honda Africa Twin Adventure Sports. We're very curious to see how it rides, and I'm sure you're very curious to find out more about this bike. So all you have to do is to write down your questions, and we're gonna answer them, because right now we're gonna take this bike out for a ride.